fabulous move-in ready mid-level 2-bed, 2-bath condo in the highly sought-after Bristol House Community. You'll love the open floor plan with lots of storage and great location less than 2 miles from the metro and minutes to the toll road as well as Reston town center. Boasts new carpet, paint, hot water heater, washer and dryer, heat pump, kitchen cabinets, quartz countertops and more. Plus updated baths, stainless steel appliances, new firebox and recent chimney inspection, new smoke alarms and new sliding double glass doors leading to the large balcony. There are built-in bookshelves on either side of the wood-burning fireplace with mantel and recessed lighting in the living room. Both master bedrooms have walk-in closets and private bathrooms. The HOA covers the exterior maintenance of the condo as well as the landscaping, roads and common areas. Enjoy lovely wooded walking trail and golf courses nearby.